Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the full subtractor. So let us start with the full subtractor. So here we have three inputs. Now these three inputs are A, B and C. We are actually subtracting two bits to which a borrow bit is also present from the subtraction of the previous operation. So let us say that if I am operating for nth operation, so a nth subtracted bn, that is nothing but a bit minus b bit, to which some borrow might be generated from nth minus 1th operation. So the bits are an, bn, c, nth minus 1. So c is nothing but the borrow which is from the subtraction of the previous bits. So let us start with the first combination. So for AB 2 bits there are 4 combinations, out of which first combination is 0 0. To this first combination 0 0, the borrow bit, it might not present or it might present. So this is total combinations with AB. So next combination is 0 1. So once again for 0 1, borrow bit is absent or borrow bit is present. Third combination is 1 0. To 1 0 combination once again will follow the same thing, and the last 1 1. So let us find out the difference. The borrow bit which is also subtracted from the operation, so we will go left to right, an minus bn minus cn, and we'll write down the particular difference between the bits and borrow. Since we are not actually subtracting, we are writing the difference and the borrow. Let us start with the first bit 0 0 0. So difference will be 0, borrow not generated. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 to 1, difference is 1 but borrow is generated. Third one 0 1, difference 1, borrow 1 generated. 1 0, the final difference is going to be get 1. The next one 0 1, once again borrow generated first and the total difference is 0. 1 0, difference is 1, again 1 0, difference is 1 and no borrow generated. Here 1 0, difference is 1, 1 1, the final difference is going to be get 0 and no borrow generated. 1 1, difference is 0 and 0 0, final difference is also 0, no borrow generated. 1 1, the difference is 0 here, but from this 0 to this one, difference is 1 and once again borrow is generated. Now to implement this full subtractor, we need to solve the K-maps for difference and borrow. So let us start with the K-map for difference. For difference, I am writing down this K-map, trying to reduce the expression, logical expression. So to the bits 0, 1, 2, 4 and 7. These are the bits where difference is present. So I will put these bits on the K-map. So it is clear that there are single ones. So I will make a group of single ones and I will write down the equation for difference D.